In an Atlanta home, several slow drains at once, toilets that gurgle, sewage odors, or water rising from a low drain can be warning signs of a sewer line backup. If wastewater is already coming up, stop adding water to the system. Do not flush toilets, run the washing machine, dishwasher, shower, or sinks until the cause is identified. Keep children and pets away from the affected area and avoid direct contact. Sewage can contain harmful organisms. If standing water is near outlets, appliances, or the electrical panel, do not enter the area. Check whether the issue affects one fixture or several. One slow sink may be a local clog. Multiple fixtures backing up, especially at the lowest drain, can indicate a problem farther along the building drain or sewer lateral. Do not keep pouring chemical drain cleaner into a recurring backup. It may not reach the underlying obstruction and can create another hazard for whoever inspects the line. A professional camera inspection can help locate roots, a collapsed section, buildup, or another obstruction before repair options are discussed. If sewage is flowing from a street manhole or public area, report it to Atlanta's 311 service. To locate a sewer line service provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers, and availability varies by location.